All right, I'm out at Mike's today and helping him out on a few little projects on his bus, and got something interesting to share with you. So Mike installed a new water level sensor gauge in his bus, and he's got one out here to explain that I think is kind of cool. Explain the resistance range and how this thing works.
Yeah, so these come in different heights from Amazon, and also these come in different ohm ranges, and there's a set standard of ohm ranges depending on what country or the standard automotive section you use. So this one, for instance, is a 0 to 190 ohm resistor, and there's this floating magnet that floats up and down for your water level. And as your water level goes up or down, it clicks a set of micro switches inside. The magnet hits the right one, and then the micro switches are all connected with resistors to change the resistance or the output, depending on your height here.
It probably just adds them up in series as it goes up or whatever.
Right.
Yeah.
So over here we have them installed in my fresh water tank. All right, so what I did was, this is my fresh water tank. It's aluminum, and it has an output drain hole here that I just put a T-fitting in and PVC tubing in, and you can see that I put in a top section of PVC in there and then screwed the screws down, so it's pretty much like that, except this one's longer. This was going to be for my black tank. So then the wire goes upstairs, and I have to the gauge, which the gauge I got from Amazon also. And the gauge is cool because you can set it. It's analog, but you can set it for the different ohm ranges that come with these.
Yeah, and I could easily adapt this to work with my digital gauges, Home Assistant, and stuff, because I can sense any resistance range as well with that. Let's go look at your gauge.
Let's do that. So this is my gauge here. You can see I have 3/4 of a tank of water in there. It also comes with backlight. You can change your colors of the backlighting too. And but it is analog. And here,
super simple. You said it has selectable ranges, so if you have different gauges, you can do something with that.
So this is going to be for the black water tank. And you can see on the back side there's a button that you set, and there's a plug that comes in from that you wire up.
Cool. I'll have Mike give me the links for these and put them in the description.
Yeah, it's really cool.
Looks like it'll work good.
Yeah, the instruction sheet comes with it. You just for installation, wiring, and then your parameters, your directions of how to set your parameters. So my position is 0 to 190 ohms.
Cool.